This is how I actually use my Garmin FENIX 8 in the gym. I'll show you exactly how I set up my workouts, how I train, what I like, what I don't like, and what Garmin could improve. Since I started tracking everything with Garmin, I've gone from 103 kg to 86 kg. My goal is 76, 78, and I'm not there yet. Should you even use Garmin for strength training? First of all, if you want to progress, you need to track what you're doing. It can be a notebook and a pen, an Excel file, a gym app, or a wearable. In my case, it is Garmin. So what does Garmin FENIX 8 actually give me? First, it gives structure to my training. Garmin has a calendar so I can plan my workouts in advance. And the watch reminds me when it is time to train. I do not need to think every day about what workout I should do. I already have a plan and I simply follow it. The second thing is statistics. If I track everything correctly, I can look back and clearly see whether I'm progressing or not. For example, I can see how many tons I lifted 1 month ago, 3 months ago, and how much I lift now. I can see it directly on the charts and in my performance statistics. Of course, you can do the same thing with a notebook or a different app. Garmin is not magic. So should you use Garmin in the gym? You do not have to, but you definitely need some system to plan your training and track your progress. And for me, Garmin is that system. Here is exactly how my gym session works. Tracking your gym session doesn't start when you walk into the gym and press strength on your watch. It actually starts much earlier, when you prepare your workout. So here is how I do it. First, I open Garmin Connect either in my browser or on my phone. As a 40-year-old guy, I actually prefer doing it on my computer because it's much easier on a bigger screen. So then I go to training and planning, workouts, create workouts, and strength. From there, you can add your warm-up, other exercises, rest periods, basically everything you want. It's really not rocket science. I managed to do it, so I'm pretty sure you can do it too. I wanted to keep my workouts as simple as possible. Right now, I train my full body 3 times a week. If you want to know exactly how I train and what helped me to lose 17 kilograms, you can download my free dashboard reset plan in the description. It is simple PDF, download it and use it. My gym full body workout begins with a warm-up. In Garmin, it's called cardio. But in reality, I just spend about 15 minutes jumping, stretching and doing different movements to wake my bones. And after that, I do 30 squats with a stick or a very light barbell. And this is where I interact with the watch for the first time. It is actually very simple once you understand it. After finishing the exercise, I press the back button here, then the up button to edit the number of reps. After that, I press the top right button to confirm. And if the weight didn't change, I simply press it one more time and move on. Then after about a 3-minute rest, I go to the leg press. I usually do 2 sets. The first one is basically another warm up to prepare my joints and muscles. And the second one is much heavier, but not my absolute maximum, because since I'm also running several times a week, I don't want to destroy my legs in the gym. After the set, I press the back button again, then up to change the reps. After that, I press the top right button, and this time I also change the weight I lifted. This is where I use the touch screen. Even when the screen is locked, FENIX 8 lets you tap directly on the numbers to edit the weight, which is actually really convenient. Once you understand the workflow, updating your reps and weight only takes a few seconds after each set. At first, it feels a little awkward, but after 2 or 3 workouts, it becomes completely automatic. 3 things that I do not like about using Garmin in the gym, and what I think Garmin could actually improve in future updates. The first thing, if the gym is crowded and, for example, the leg press is busy, but my workout program says I have to do the leg press next, there is no way to swap it with another exercise. So what do? I have 2 options. I either patiently wait until the machine becomes free and do my exercise, or I go and do another exercise for the same muscle group and edit it later in the Garmin Connect app. I know it's a bit inconvenient, but it is what it is. And hey, Garmin, please check this moment and update it. The second thing that I do not like is that Garmin doesn't remember my previous weights and reps. It would be great if Garmin automatically updated them, so the next time I started the same strength workout, my previous weights and reps were already there. We all know how important progressive overload is, whether it's adding more reps or increasing the weights. At this point, I have to update the reps or weights manually almost every week in Garmin Connect app. In reality, it doesn't take much time, but it would still be nice if Garmin did it automatically. And the third thing is the repetition counter. Honestly, it almost never counts my reps correctly. For me, it's a pretty useless feature. And I'm not even sure if this can be fixed easily because every person lifts differently and every exercise is different. So I don't really rely on it at all. I simply correct the reps manually after each set. Okay, so 3 things that I like about Garmin FENIX 8. The first thing is that it gives me structure. I like that I see all my workouts in the calendar, in the app, and in my watch. Garmin helps me stay organized. I can create my workouts, schedule them on my calendar, and my watch reminds me when it's time to train. I just have to follow the plan. The second thing is that everything is in one place. My strength workouts, my running, walking, sleep, recovery, weight, HRV, everything is in one system. I don't have to use different apps. I simply open Garmin Connect and I can see my entire fitness weight. And the third thing is that it lets me see my progress. For me, this is probably one of the biggest benefits. Garmin stores all my workouts and statistics. I can see how many pounds, tons, kilograms I've lifted, how my blood pressure changed. Compare this month with last month and track whether I'm actually getting stronger with Garmin or not. Going to the gym alone won't build the body of your dreams. You also have to track your calories. Check out this video where I show you how I started tracking my calories with Garmin and made huge progress.